welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is a channel where we do makeup tutorials, new challenges, pretty much anything beauty related. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, please subscribe, hit that notifications bell to be notified, and please leave a thumbs up and a comment down below. So today's video is I'm going to do an unboxing of BoxyCharm, kind of talk about it a little and why I like it so much. So the regular box I believe is like $21 a month. In each full-size box you receive 5 full-size beauty items, anywhere from 4 to 5 full-size beauty items ranging from makeup, skincare, beauty, cosmetics, and each box is a minimum value of $100, and that's only $21 a month. You get to explore new beauty this way. I think it's really great. I think it's really great also. Maybe you don't have the money to be going out and buying makeup all the time. For that price, you get a minimum of $100 worth of items. You usually get an eyeshadow palette. I see those a lot in the box. You get different things and get to try out different brands. Maybe something you wouldn't go buy on your own. So that's really great. Also, they do have their Boxyluxe, which is, you get that in the months of March, June, September, and December. And that's if you choose to get that. It is $50 a month, and it's worth up to a minimum of $250 of products. And that's what I got this month. So that's what we're going to be reviewing. I'm going to be showing you what I got. I think it's a really great subscription box. Even if you can't afford the one every couple months that's $50, just getting the minimum one that's $21, you get some really great products. I've loved it. I've tried many different subscription boxes. I've tried BoxyCharm, which we're going to be talking about what I received. I've tried the Allure box. I like that one. I've tried FabFitFun. I wasn't the biggest fan of FabFitFun. And then I've tried Ipsy and I've tried Birchbox. And those are really nice for travel size to smaller products. But I like the BoxyCharm because you do get fuller size products. And I like the Allure box because it's aimed towards more skincare. And you usually do get a mixture. You get like maybe 1 to 2 full size products. And then you get some travel sizes. But let's get on into what I got in my box because I'm pretty excited. The look I do have on right now, I used what was in this box. I got an eyeshadow palette. The lipstick was in this box I received, and then the bronzer. I got a bronzer pack, and that was in this box I received in my Boxyluxe this month. There are different variations of the box. I think I got variation 7. I don't know how many variations there are, but I'm pretty excited to show you guys what I got. So the first item in here is the Princess. It's the Park Wave Princess palette by Tarte. See, you guys can see that. It's a really great, seems to be really great. I used it. It's what I have on my face right now. It's kind of bronzer and contour. It's got some different colors in it. It's got highlight colors, so kind of not like highlighter, but highlighting colors that you'd maybe use in your eyes to brighten your eyes or to soften out the look of your bronzer at the chin area, things like that. And then it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 different bronzer / contour shades. They're really great. I've seen this palette before. I always saw it as cute, kind of always wanted to try it, but never really wanted to spend, I think it's like $50, I want to say. How much is it? It's $45, so almost. Never really wanted to spend that because I already have my Kat Von D one, so I just kind of like, kind of passed it up. Other products that I wanted to buy, but I'm really glad I got it. I got it on my face today. Like I said, it blended really good. It smells kind of like chocolate, so it smells good. I like that. It worked. So that was one of my items that I got. The next item I got was the Violet Voss Essentials Pro Series eyeshadow palette. That's what that is right there. That's what I have on my eyes right now. It's really gorgeous colors in here. They're gorgeous. It's got 2 shimmers, no, 3 shimmers, I think, 3 or 4 shimmers. This is a really great palette for fall. It can also kind of be used for spring and summer, but it's very fall-like. I'm definitely excited to start using it for fall. It's what I have on my eyes today. Like I said, it was a great palette. Using it, everything blended out beautifully. Everything was very pigmented. The shimmer in here, the pink shimmer, which I have, and then the gold shimmer, which I have on the corner of my eyes, and I have the pink shimmer kind of on the outer part of my lid. They were extremely vibrant. I put Fix Plus on a brush, dipped it in there, and they were just gorgeous. They blended really great. I'm excited to continue to use this palette very much. Definitely will be doing looks with this palette upcoming. And I believe this palette is worth $29. I'm very excited about this one. The next thing in here that I got, which is the lip color I have on right now, it is the Stella. I love these liquid lipsticks. Personally, it's the Stay All Day lipstick. They stay all day. They are matte, but they're not extremely matte and they're not extremely thick. I've tried other formulas that I didn't like, so I've got a couple of different colors in this, so I was really excited to get this in the box. This one is Rubino. It's kind of a dark red. It's gorgeous. I'm excited about that. I love reds. And like I said, it went on smoothly. It wasn't too thick, wasn't overly thin. It is matte, but I don't think it's matte, so it is drying to a point, but it's not extremely drying. So I was really excited to get that. The next thing I got is the Sutra curling iron, which is actually BoxyCharm sent me an email and asked what was one of the items that I would like to receive in my box, and I actually got to pick this, and so I got it. I'm excited about that. I have a curling iron already, but the barrel on it is thinner, and I wanted a thicker one, and I think this one is 1 1/4. The one I have is 1 inch. So this is really great. It's got a little cover that it comes with. It kind of looks like that. So I'm excited. I'm excited for this. Been wanting a thicker barrel. I don't know if these change, because I know this brand does have ones that change. I don't think this one does though. But I'm excited for this one. The next thing that I got in my Boxyluxe is the Glow recipe. It's pineapple seed brightening serum. It came out a couple months ago. It's still fairly new, and I wanted to try it, but I ended up not getting it, and I'm glad I ended up not getting it because it came in this box, and I'm very excited about it. Like I said, it's by the brand Glow recipe. I want to say, how much does it retail for? It retails for $49, right? That's $49, and this, I paid $50 for this box right here, and you can see all the other items that I've already gotten. I mean, is that not amazing? I mean, that's so amazing. I feel like when I get this, it's like Christmas. I mean, even the smaller boxes, it's just something I look forward to receiving every month and getting to dip into all the products. I usually like all of them, but sometimes, you know, there's once in a while products that I don't, but I definitely usually like every product that I get. So the Glow recipe has the pineapple juice, which is a potent source of vitamin C, and it's a natural AHA. So I'm excited about that. It's got the 3 types of vitamin C in it. It's got chamomile, which is soothing. It's got hyaluronic acid, which is really moisture. It helps lock in moisture. And it's got vitamin C, and it says you can use this day or night. And you can use it 3 to 4 times a day, up to 3 to 4 times a week. So I'm really excited about this serum. Next, I've got the IGK Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm. Ooh. It's got vegan. It's vegan and cruelty and gluten, UV protection, mineral oil free, paraben, sulfate free. So it's got all that great stuff. It's got coconut oil in it. That's really great. Coconut oil is amazing for the hair. It's a leave-in conditioner balm that won't weigh your hair down. That's nice. Can't stand when I put something in it, makes my hair feel heavy. So I'm excited about that. And then lastly, I've got the Dr. Brandt Hydrobonic Recovery Sleeping Mask. It deeply hydrates and moisturizes to reduce redness and signs of irritation. So that sounds great. I'm excited about that. That is worth $52. $52. That's more than what I paid for the box. That's crazy. Oh, and the curling iron was worth $65, just in case I didn't say that. And then the hydrating hair balm is worth $29. So this is just, I'm so excited about this one this month. Everything in it I'm really excited about. So very excited. And I can't wait to use these products. I definitely will be doing some looks with this Violent Boss eyeshadow palette. The look I have on my eyes right now, the look that I'm wearing, the lipstick, I do have a tutorial coming up on how I got this look. So I'm not sure when it will be up. Probably will have some more up before, but I'm going to try to get this one up before end of September ends. That way, if you're interested in signing up for BoxyCharm, you can. I do have a referral code that I will link down below. I'm going to do that if you're going to do it. Basically, the referral code will help you earn charms, which is something you can earn within BoxyCharm.com, and that just helps you gain more rewards and things like that. So you use that referral code, plus you earn extra points, and I'll just leave that down below. It's up to you. I think it's a really great box to get. Personally, like I said, I've tried different ones. Some I'm okay with, and some I really love. Some I haven't loved so much, didn't really like. This one I think is a great box. I do think it's 100% worth your money. Like I said, I feel like it's Christmas every time I get it. I mean, every month is something I get to look forward to. I love trying new things. I love seeing stuff that, oh, hey, I was going to get that and didn't, or hey, I was interested in getting that, but there's always something else that I ended up getting. So it's just a really great box. I highly suggest it. Even, you know, especially maybe you don't have a lot of money to go and spend on makeup all the time. Even just getting that $21 subscription every month, you get 4 to 5 full-size items, and that's something great, something to add to your collection. I think that's wonderful. And stuff you get to play around with and kind of be excited about every month. So I really do, I love this box, and hopefully BoxyCharm is watching this. I'll go ahead, I'll be a sponsor for you guys. Anyway, just kidding. Not really. Anyway, guys, yeah, I do really like the box. So guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. I would really greatly appreciate it. Leave a comment down below. Talk to me. I definitely will interact with you guys. If there's anything you want to see me do, anything you want to learn how to do, eventually, if you leave a comment, eventually that's something I will get to and try to do. And like I said, I will definitely be doing more looks with the Violent Boss palette. I'm very excited about that. So I'll see you guys later.